In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Netspend account in 2025 step by step. Whether you're looking to manage your finances or get a prepaid debit card, setting up a Netspend account is a convenient option. Let's get started by first heading over to your preferred internet browser. In this example, we'll use Google to locate the Netspend homepage. Simply type Netspend into the Google search bar and hit enter. Next, you should see the search results page. Look for the official Netspend website, which will typically be one of the top results. The URL should read something like www.netspend.com. Click on that link to take you directly to their homepage. Once you are on the Netspend website, you'll notice a field asking for your email address. Go ahead and enter a valid email address that you have access to. It's important to use an email that you check regularly, as Netspend will use it to send important information and updates. After entering your email, you will see a button labeled Sign Up Now. Click this button. To start the registration process, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll begin entering your personal information. The first field will ask for your first name. Carefully type in your first name exactly as you want it to appear on your Netspend card. Follow this by entering your last name in the next field. Make sure to double check your spelling, since these details will be used for your account verification. Further down, you'll see a field for your address. This should be the address where you'd like to receive your card, as well as any correspondence. Ensure accuracy here, as it helps prevent any delays in receiving your Netspend card. Now, you'll have the chance to select the type of card you'd like to receive. Netspend offers several options, including a Black Visa debit card, a Rose Gold Visa card, and the Platinum Visa debit card. Choose the one that best fits your needs by clicking on it. After you've made your selection, you'll see a button that says Get My Card. Click on this and your application will be submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmations from Netspend. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the sign-up process for your Netspend account. Whether you chose the Black, Rose Gold, or Platinum Visa card, you're now one step closer to managing your finances with ease. Make sure to follow any additional instructions in your email to activate your card once it arrives. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment down below. Enjoy your new Netspend account.